AI is profoundly transforming the global workforce, shifting discussions from job replacement to nuanced evolution. Recent findings emphasize critical human-AI collaboration, strategic leadership in AI implementation, and the essential need for workforce upskilling, redefining future employment paradigms. Crucial insights reveal AI's influence hinges on organizational choices, automating tasks or augmenting human capabilities. The focus is now on redesigning workflows to complement human potential, fostering a powerful synergy between human ingenuity and artificial intelligence for future growth. Gartner predicts AI will profoundly reshape how we work, leading not to a jobs apocalypse, but to jobs chaos beginning in 2028-2029. Over 32 million jobs annually will be reconfigured, redesigned, splintered, and fused, necessitating a people-first strategy for AI integration. Roles involving repetitive tasks, extensive data processing, and predictable workflows are most vulnerable to automation in this evolving landscape. This includes positions like data entry clerks, basic customer service representatives, and certain proofreading functions, highlighting a significant shift in labor demands. Specific roles such as data entry clerks, telemarketers, and basic customer service representatives face high exposure to automation. Additionally, positions like bookkeepers, retail cashiers, and certain frontline fast food workers are increasingly susceptible, signaling substantial reconfiguration across various sectors. Even white-collar professions are not immune, with news analysts, reporters, mathematicians, and technical writers facing potential shifts. Aspects of financial and legal services, particularly routine contract drafting and legal research, are also at increased risk, demanding adaptive skill development from professionals. A Microsoft research report from August 2025 identified 40 jobs at highest risk, including interpreters, translators, historians, and various sales and administrative roles. This extensive list underscores the pervasive impact of AI, compelling individuals and organizations to strategically adapt and evolve. Conversely, jobs demanding uniquely human capabilities are considered AI-proof. These include emotional intelligence, profound creativity, complex problem-solving, ethical decision-making, critical thinking, and nuanced human interaction, emphasizing skills AI cannot replicate and fostering human value. The healthcare sector, particularly professionals such as nurses, therapists, and specialists, remains highly resistant to AI due to the profound need for empathy, clinical expertise, and human judgment. AI actively assists in drug discovery and personalized medicine, enhancing rather than replacing human roles. In education, teachers and coaches are expected to remain critical, as profound trust and genuine human connection are paramount in fostering effective learning environments. While AI can support administrative tasks or provide supplementary resources, the core pedagogical role remains deeply human-centric. Skilled trades like plumbing, electrical work, mechanics, welding, and pipe fitting are considered secure due to their demand for intricate physical dexterity, on-site adaptability, and client trust. These professions require hands-on problem-solving that sophisticated robots currently cannot fully replicate effectively. While basic content creation might be automated, complex innovation, groundbreaking research, and roles demanding high levels of creativity are expected to remain human-driven. These fields thrive on original thought, strategic vision, and the unique spark of human ingenuity, ensuring their lasting relevance. Positions requiring complex decision-making with incomplete information, ethical judgment, emotional intelligence in team development, and strategic vision are highly resistant to AI. These leadership roles rely on nuanced human understanding, foresight, and the ability to inspire and guide. The development and implementation of AI itself are creating entirely new jobs. AI machine learning engineers who design and refine these sophisticated systems, and cybersecurity professionals where human judgment is essential for rapid threat response are experiencing incredibly high demand across industries. Construction and infrastructure industries demand significant physicality, adaptability, and on-site decision-making that advanced robots currently struggle to fully replicate. While AI assists in document automation and risk management, crucial human roles in design, project management, and delivery persist. AI adoption is rapidly accelerating globally, with countries like Ireland showing impressive uptake and 91% of organizations already utilizing AI. The global AI market is projected to exceed $240 billion, demonstrating annual growth rates of up to 20%. Daily users of generative AI report significant benefits, including increased productivity, enhanced job security, and higher pay. A major emerging trend is Agentic AI, advanced models capable of autonomous operation and complex multi-step task completion, poised to revolutionize all industries profoundly. However, challenges in AI adoption persist, with many proofs of concept failing due to data readiness, expertise, and infrastructure gaps. Regulatory bodies, like those in India, are grappling with governing AI-generated content, balancing innovation with the critical need to curb malicious